This is question 15 on the Unit 2 foundation paper from June 2011. We've got a bag that contains only red, blue and yellow counters. Red, blue and yellow. There are 3 times as many blue as yellow. Okay, well, let's call the number of yellow counters Y. What do we know about the blue? We know there are 3 times as many of them. So we know there are 3Y blue. So whatever this number is, so 3 times as many here. There are red ones, we don't know how many they are, so I'm going to call that X for a minute. And we know there are 43 in the bag, so if I add those together, I get 43. So I've dealt with all my words up to that line at the moment in writing something down. It then says some red counters are added to the bag. There are now 50 counters in the bag. So I've now got 50 over here. So I've got 7 extra ones. So red is now not X, but it's X plus 7. And I've still got 3Y and Y. So I've got that many counters. That many red, that many blue, that many yellow. It says though that the number of red counters is doubled. If you add 7 to something and you double it, that means there must have been 7 to start with. Because if you add 7 you get 14 and it's doubled. So actually I know that that number there was 7. There were 7 red counters to start with, and now there are 7 plus 7. There are 14 red counters. So I've got some more information. I know actually what this mystery number over here is. So I've got now that 14 plus 3Y plus another Y, well that's 4Y, equals 50. So I've got a little equation. And they're asking me how many yellow counters there are. So they want to know what this number Y is. Well, what do I add to 14 to get an answer of 50? Well, if I do 50 take away 14, I get 36. So that tells me that I add 36 to 14 to get 50. So that 4Y must be the same as 36, because I've just said I add 36 to 14 to get 50. So if I know that 4Y equals 36, 4 times by some number is 36. To find my mystery number Y, I need to do 36 divided by 4. And if I do 36 divided by 4, I get 9. There are 9 yellow counters in the bag.